Quick way to black out your room, grab your hangers with the clips on them and clip your blackout curtains together if you have a little space there. That way, no light comes in. Place a coin on your door so that, boom, it makes noise. Dim your lights quickly. Use a towel to put over your lamps so it's less light. Sanitize your furniture. This is easy one to do. Just throw clean towels over where you're going to sit down. We know that they wash those, hopefully. Cover up your TV. This is quick and easy to do with towels. Instantly remote sanitizer. Put it in a plastic bag. Boom. This is your door lock. This can hold up to 800 pounds of pressure. It is fantastic. It slips right inside the door frame. Really easy to install. Fits right in your bag. Just slide that piece down, and that is what's going to hold it. No one can come in, even if they have a key. They can't come in the room. This only works for doors that are coming inward. So, and it's super easy to uninstall. Leave your fingerprints. Always leave your fingerprints in a room, just in case. You never know. The lamp post is the best place because that's probably where they will check. Always carry an extension cord. Sometimes the cord isn't next to your bed, so if you want your phone next to your bed, carry it. Plus, you'll have extra plugs. Fill up your ice bucket with water. It's super easy to do. Grab some iodized salt and add some salt water so you have a saltwater bucket in your room. Perfect. This is a water bladder. Basically, it's a flat bag that fits inside your suitcase. Go to the fitness center. They always have filtered water in the fitness center. And you can fill this bag up. It's about 1.5 gallons. So instead of paying $5 for a little bottle of water, you got 1.5 gallons in your room. It's spill proof and yeah, easy to carry, got a little handle. Check for bed bugs. This is how you do it. You slide a white piece above the bed frame or picture frame.